Hi, in this segment, I'll be discussing leadership with you. We all know how big a subject this is. Yet, there is an approach to it which I call the butterfly model of leadership. Think about it. Leadership is a verb. It is a set of behaviors. It's a set of actions that we take. Leadership is action, not position. Leadership can be exercised at every level in the organization, and good leaders, by the way, are good followers as well. And in a team, the task, the project that is being conceived must be led by the person most suited for that particular task. Therefore, let's examine the butterfly model in more detail. A butterfly has a body and has wings. Now let's first look at the body. The body is K-U-B-A. We need to know, we need to understand what we know, we need to believe in that, and then of course act on it. Kuba. That's the body of the butterfly. Now let's look at the left wing. The left wing is essentially actions that leaders can take. Now, what can a leader do for people to know? The answer is inform. What can leaders do for people to understand? The action is explain. What can the leader do for people to believe? Demonstrate. And of course, the million-dollar question, what does a leader need to do for them to act? Inspire. Hence the word inspiration. And inspirational leadership is the most valued form of leadership because it gets those constituents around this individual acting and behaving and doing what is needed in a given set of time. Now, let's look at the other wing. You're a follower because we are leaders and followers all at the same time. It's a parallel process. It's not sequential. I was a follower, now I'm a leader. If you don't know, as a follower, what can you do? Ask, and you do realize how difficult that is. Sometimes we don't have the courage to ask because we don't want to be made fun of. If something has been conveyed to you and you don't understand it, what do? Ask again. Seek clarification. All right, so now you've understood and you are not quite convinced. Would you reject the idea, or would you need to do something in order to believe on whether to pursue it or not? Well, you must test. As a follower, never reject an idea outright. Test it, experiment. If it doesn't work, fine, reject it. But do not just be driven by your bias. And finally, what do you need to do as a follower in order to act? This is another very big question. Commit. Like that. Commitment is something that you make to yourself to ensure that you deliver on what you have promised. That not only builds your integrity, it makes you an effective and an inspiring leader. So remember the butterfly. The body is Kuba. Know, understand, believe, and act. And now you have the wings. So what's the next thing that you need to do? Fly and take others with you.